Hey everyone, and welcome back to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a trip to a truly unique home, the 111 house. This project is all about creating a versatile space that can transform to fit any occasion. The homeowner wanted a single space for lounging, dining, family activities, and even small parties. The old house just didn't have the room, so they decided to build a brand new pavilion right next to a gorgeous Riverside location. This house is in a prime spot. It sits right next to a large canal with beautiful gardens all around. Imagine the peace and relaxation you'd feel here, away from the city noise with cool breezes and amazing river views. The architect came up with a fantastic concept, a single-story pavilion with transparent glass walls on all sides. This allows for stunning river views no matter where you are in the building. Plus, the open design lets in tons of fresh air, making the most of that riverside breeze. The glass walls are actually sliding doors. This means you can completely open them up to connect the indoor space with the outdoor riverside area. Perfect for parties or just enjoying a beautiful day. The design of the 111 house keeps things simple to avoid competing with the natural beauty of the surroundings. The focus is on those incredible views, both from inside looking out and outside looking in. The new pavilion isn't just an island. Covered walkways, connectors, and open terraces link it seamlessly to the existing house, creating a smooth flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. Finally, a long staircase runs alongside the river, acting as both a connection and a visual guide at night. The homeowner even chose to leave the riverside area unfenced. They wanted a space where the house, the river, and the surrounding area all feel connected, creating a truly unified oasis. So, what do you think? The 111 house is definitely a dream come true for anyone who loves spending time by the water and enjoys a versatile living space. If you'd like to see more amazing architecture projects, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what kind of homes you're interested in. Thanks for watching.